the final thrust of the bearish volume here. We actually saw a steady decline of the bearish volume on average leading into this entry. As the trend continued lower, also did the bearish volume. Hey, how's it going today, everyone? Hope you're all doing fantastic out there today. Just wanted to bring you in here for this short-term 5-minute Nadex binary options trade I have going on the USD JPY pair here. Just wanted to bring you in to show you this picture-perfect, perfect storm trading scenario here. We got in on a buy position for 2 contracts for just under a $60 total profit potential at expiration. We will look to take profits at about half of our total profit potential here, heading into the halfway point of the contract at around 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. I will consider taking profits early if we reach our profit target. Let me show you on the chart real quick what led me to get into this position here. Shortly before we saw this big increase, which I believe is the final thrust of the bearish volume here, we actually saw a steady decline of the bearish volume on average leading into this entry. As the trend continued lower, also did the bearish volume. As well, you can see we had a classic double bottom on the RSI down here, a divergence if you will. Trend continued lower, the RSI continued to test the same strength range, which lets you know that the overall trend for the downward trend is likely coming to an end around our strike area here. So you can see a final test here. Let me just go ahead and put our strike here on the chart here. Just about in this range here is where we're looking to maintain above going into expiration. You can see all the long wick activity as it tests each of these zones time and time again, but the trend just continued lower. At this point, I believe we are losing all of the steam. You can see there's a very sharp decline in the bearish volume as the trend continues lower, letting out that final steam. The average decline is steady here, sharp decline with an excess of volume in such a short period of time, nearing the bottom range of the Bollinger Band as well as the RSI leveling off should make for a classic trend reversal here, at least in the short term. So we are now beyond the halfway point. I may look to go ahead and hold this position into